In this session, let us learn about HTML colors. HTML colors and color names. HTML colors are specified with predefined color names or with RGB, HEX, HSL, RGBA or HSLA values. In HTML, a color can be specified by using a color name. See here, we are writing code. See background color orange, color red, yellow, medium sea green, gray, sky blue, violet, light green, like this. If we execute and write this code, the colors will be arranged like this. HTML supports 140 standard color names. Background color. You can set the background color for HTML elements. See here, we have set the background color here, hello world and some matter. See background color yellow, hello world, background color orange. Text color. You can set the color of text. See here, you can also set the colors for text. See here, color orange for hello people. See color purple for another matter, another paragraph, and color medium sea green for another para. If you write and execute this code, the colors will appear like this. Border color. You can set the color of borders. See, you can also set the border colors also. See, solid orange, solid yellow, solid violet. Like this, you can select 140 colors. Color values. In HTML, colors can also be specified by using RGB values, HEX values, HSL values, RGBA values, and HSLA values. The following there div elements have their background color set with RGB, HEX, and HSL values. See, you can also take the numbers like this: 255, 9971. See, FF 6347, 900%, 64%. The following two div elements have their background color set with RGBA and HSLA values, which adds an alpha channel to the color. Here we have 50% transparency, RGBA and HSLA. See the example. If we write and execute this code by using RGBA and HSLA values like this. See here, same as color name orange, but 50% transparent. In addition to the predefined color names, colors can be specified using RGB, HEX, HSL, or even transparent colors using RGBA or HSLA colors values. Okay friends, this is the end of HTML part 12, HTML colors. In next video, let us learn about another topic, HTML, RGBA and RGBA colors. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.